Hi guys, good to see you. Christine here from Get Fit and Pole, and I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who already purchased our brand new chair training packages, the Sexy Chair Edition and the Acro Chair Edition. And I want to give you an overview over all 4 chair training packages we have at GFP. So we have the Chair Edition 1, that's the one with the black cover. That's an epic one because this is our first chair training package and it gives you a good overview of Acro chair tricks. So the tutorials are single Acro chair tricks and you have chair choreographies as well. There are specials like chair planks and chair airwalks and some chair workout as well. So this is kind of if you are like, okay, let's see what this is all about. This is, let's say, the small but pretty cool, epic chair training package we have at GFP. Then there's Chair Edition 2. So this is the full package, the big one. You will receive 30 tutorials. We have, let me think, 8 choreographies and 9 Acro chair combos, or it's the other way around. Yeah, 8 choreographies and 9 Acro chair combos. And additionally, we have workout, warm-up, and stretching. So you can make a full session all with your chair and train with your chair. And as you already saw, maybe we have 2 brand new chair training packages. There we made the division between Sexy Chair and Acro Chair. So Sexy Chair, of course, focuses more on sensual, sexy dancing, on choreographies. Even though it has some Acro tricks involved here and there, it's for all levels, as all packages are for all levels. And the Acro chair training package focuses more on the Acro tricks, of course, but you will dance as well. So you receive like pretty Acro chair combos and pretty dances as well. So you can decide if you lean to one side or the other, which one you get. And at the checkout, if you buy one of the 2 new chair training packages, you will see a really good deal to add another chair training package if you want more. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out, send me a message, and happy chair dancing!